In the previous presentation I showed you how evidence at the royal tomb in Petra, Jordan led me into hypothesizing that it was an ancient shopping mall, with pedestrian access lifts to both its left and right. Today I show you the treasury, which is of a very similar design with some major extras. In this composite image, the above image is the treasury, and the lower image is the royal tombs. My first task was to line them up so that you can see how both are so very similar. Okay, so this allows me to show you where there will be voids in the rock. Voids where lift shafts would be. The lift shaft to the left of the top image, the treasury, shows how, just like today, lift shafts are located beside straight, vertical, rectangular fire stairwells. Usually fireproof, and usually only made of only stone. Right. There is logic to this presentation. On the right, again, is another amazing discovery. A huge rising spiral staircase. You can even still see the entrance steps. And steps on each level. I wonder if this was ever enclosed in glass. This will blow you away. Pause and have a real good look. There's still so much to see. And even more to discover. If the government would allow you inside. Or downstairs. Or to drive up the spiral in your vehicle to the roof car park. Is this just a story? We're alive, just like in the movie, The Planet of the Apes, except it is us. On the beach, looking at the Statue of Liberty rising out of the sand. For we're the survivors, you and I. We made it. I don't know how, but we did. Humankind survived. We made it. The people in the image are tiny. And I spotted a rectangular access doorway at the top of the spiraling staircase, which I have pointed out with a yellow arrow. A modern family car could easily fit through this, even a FedEx van or maybe even a much larger 18-wheeled vehicle. Then I thought maybe there is a vehicle still here, trapped in the terrain, that no one has ever seen before. So I looked. And was studying the crumbling pile at the top, and started to wonder if up so high this would make a great helipad. Then I followed the spiral down. And yes. Eureka! I found a vehicle. And have linked an image to what it reminds me of. It's one of those golden flying craft found in Peru. And this would explain a few things, especially when in a previous presentation I mentioned the urn-tomb ceiling map of South America that connects both locations. I've solved it. And this now confirmed that the maps do show flight paths. Just what on earth do I show you next?